Just Fear with Brow Tying Innovations again. Another unwrapping. We just got this package in the mail and it is from our website. So really excited to show you guys what we got in here, okay? Let's see what we got. All right, so this is our new camo sweater. This is Brow Tying Tropic pattern. We designed this to be used in the Midwest. We're super excited. It's a really, really nice pattern. We used it turkey hunting this year and a little bit of deer hunting actually the end of this last winter. And it turns out it's working great. So we're really excited about it. Get online, check them out, browtyinginnovations.com. Link will be below. And we are retailing these for $60. So really nice sweater. If you go out and get like an Under Armour sweater, it's the same sort of material, super soft, super comfortable. You'll like it. So check us out online.